In this video, I'm talking about CSS Image Opacity. So we'll start with our HTML basic structure. Then we'll link our, because we'll be using external CSS, so let's link it first. To do link, linking it / use our CSS folder, then the CSS file. Okay, so this CSS folder is inside our project folder. Okay, that's why we use dot backward slash. When you use dot backward slash to restart all the content of your CSS of your project folder, then you select what you want. Okay, having said that, let's create our image element img. Inside our image, let's add our image to source. To do that, you also do the same thing, / it will restart the content of your project folder. And then inside my project folder, I have my image inside image folders. So I'll click that. I have two images. I'll use image.png. Okay, by using that, I think I'm done now. Let's refresh this page. Okay, you see the image. Then all I have to do now, come to CSS file. That's where we'll do the opacity. Okay, so inside the CSS file, I'll use element selector by using the name img. Then open a block declaration or declaration block. Okay, inside it, I will first of all set this image to be responsive. I'll do that by using max width, and then set it to 100. Set it to 100%. Okay, then the image is now set. Then I will now use to add opacity to this image. I'll use filter. I'll use filter property. Then I'll give it a value of opacity. You can see that. Then this opacity value have a parameter which accept arguments, and the argument will be given to it will be values in percentage. Okay, let's first put percentage sign inside. Okay, in the front of that, we now start adding the opacity. Let's start with, let's say 1, and see how it looks like. 1% of opacity, and see how it looks like. Okay, is almost nothing. Okay, just disappear it. Okay, how about let's say 10%? You can see that. Okay, so the more what I'm seeing now is that the more the number is coming down, as in the more the percentage is low, the more the intense of the opacity. Okay, so what if we do 100%? What if we do 100%? I think it will return the image to default. So if we are going down in the percentage, it will reducing the opacity of the image. It will be reducing the opacity of the image. Okay, so let's make it 10%. You see that. How about 20%? How about 30%? How about 40? How about 50, 60, 70, 80? You can see it's coming up. What if I want to use let me use a float value. Let me say 55.6 and see what it looks like. You can see that you can also use a float value. Okay, let me do 20. Let me just do 37.9. You can see that. Okay, let me leave it at let me say 48.6. Okay, so this is how to do apply opacity in an image in CSS. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.